Now we'll talk about how to create a menu for desktop size and also mobile size as well. So first I'll open folder and I'll just designate two folders here, one for desktop menu and one for mobile menu. I will add them together for now. So as you see, I have desktop menu and the mobile menu already created a folder and added it, okay? And after that, I will use this desktop menu. Currently, I included one bg.jpg and one logo.png file inside images folder. Inside this desktop menu folder, I will create index.html, the first page. And using the snippet, I will create a website here. And I will just change the title to desktop menu and the body. So I will just include first the div has container, enter. Inside the div, I'll have first the logo. So the logo image will have inside images folder / images logo.png. You should have alternative name for that. So I'll just name it as logo. And after that, I'll create UL, but UL will have an ID of menu. So inside UL, or you'll create 5 li list. So we'll use snippet as well. So inside UL, you'll have, but UL will have an ID of menu, hashtag. And after that, you'll have li 5 times. That li will have a element. Just enter them. Then inside it, inside a element, you will have some text here. So for example, I will use home, Paris over here. And also New York. And about contact. I will use all small letters for now. Over here, for now, I will make empty link. Empty link, I'll just put hashtag over there. All hashtag. That means it doesn't go anywhere. It just stays at the current HTML, doesn't go anywhere. Like so. And after that, UL element, you'll have H1, will have ID of first title, that will have 2 cities. 2 cities. Oh. If you type something too late, the snippet doesn't work. So I'll just use H1, hashtag first title, center. And after that, the first title, 2 cities. Okay, save it. And after that, you will have footer. Footer will have copyright. So ampersand COPY semicolon 2023 HTML CSS. will be there. So we'll have a link to the CSS. So link, you can see that third one, CSS. Create this style.css. So that one will create over here. Style.css. So inside the style.css, you will have this code. So starting from the resetting code, I believe you all remember, asterisk. And if you don't put anything over here, it doesn't work. So you need to put that on. That means everything will have padding 0 and also margin 0 and also box sizing, border box will be there. And also font family will be there as well, but I will do it for the HTML. So HTML will have font family of Verdana, Geneva, Tahoma, Sans Serif. Okay, now after that, the container, the ID container will have width 90%, but 100% is also fine, doesn't matter for now. And margin 0 auto, then means it actually put the current element to horizontally centered, and height 100 pH for now. What viewport height? Viewport height. Okay, and after that, okay, I'll just show the live server here. So Command Shift P or Control Shift P over here. So change the live server workspace to desktop menu. Control Shift P or Command Shift P. Open live server. Open with live server. Okay, we'll do it again. Command Shift P didn't work properly. So Control Command Shift P, change live server workspace. Oh, something is not working. So we'll add that one more time, add the folder to workspace. So that one should be downloads, that one, great. Okay. I believe there is a bit of glitch, it's fine. If it happens again, always close everything and open again. Open your Visual Studio Code, then open it again, then it'll be working fine. So open Visual Studio Code, go File, add the folder to Workspace. You'll open those two menus here, two folders here. Then you can see those are here. So over here, that you have it. Oh, I lost the style.css, but you will do it again. Okay. So style.css. Okay, and inside. Okay. Now we'll save it again. Over here, the resetting code one more time. It is padding 0, margin 0, and box sizing for the box. In HTML, you will have font family, will have Verdana font. Save it. Okay, on index.html, now Command Shift P again will open. So change live server workspace to desktop menu. Command Shift P again, open with live server. That opens over here. because currently nothing shows except this. Okay, so for now, over there, so you don't need that column, so Control V or Command V. And after that, you will open both CSS and style index.html, just, and also the browser screen at the same time, like so. Okay. So after that, you will actually put the background image over here. So the body will have background. That will have the URL of background image, that one, pg.jpg. But that will be horizontally and vertically centered. Center, center. It's all American English, fixed. And after that, background size cover. Background size cover should be there. Then it'll fill all the background with the images, like so. Okay. Okay, I will just close it for that now. Just open the style CSS. Okay, after that, we'll still build the other element. Okay, so for first one, I'll have container will have width 90%, but that one actually 100% or 90% doesn't matter for now. But I will have margin 0 auto. So horizontally will be centered, and height 100 viewport height. So there will be 100% of the height. And after that, the UL ID menu, so hashtag menu, will have list style type none. So we'll not have that anymore. So the dot is gone. And after that, I'll put that on the right side. So that one position always fixed, always will be there. Top 0, right, but 100% from the right. So that one will be like this, okay? And after that, right 100 pixel. Oh, we didn't add the curly brace here. Okay, save it. And after that, the height, I'll put the height of 60 pixel. 60 pixel. And after that, the all li element inside or a element will have a display inline block. Then everything will be in a row, and will be in a row like so. But currently blue color, so I will just change the color to white. And after that, also I will remove the underline. So text decoration none. The second one, none. And after that, all the underline is gone. Then the also we'll have some margin on the left side. Okay, so we'll have margin left. We'll have about 20 pixel, like so. So if it's bigger screen, it'll be on the right side anyway, like so. Okay, and after that, you will have the logo. I'll position it properly. The ID logo, image logo, will be positioned always over there, fixed, up 20 pixel and left 20 pixel. So almost same position over there. And after that, if you hover your cursor on the Li element, the all A element will have red color, like so. So if you hover it, it shows the red color, like so. And also the two cities will be pushed down. So first title, then with I'll put that one as 100%. So if it's the content is 90%, 100% means it fills all the 90% of the screen percentage. And after that, also margin 0 auto and text line center and also color, or we'll use gold color. And after that, the font size will make it bigger. 7M, like so. And after that, line height 100 pH vertical height. So it'll be there. So it means it looks like this. It looks like this for the desktop. For the desktop. But if you want to push down the logos a bit, the logo from the top, you can push down more, 40 pixel. Then you can push down the logo a bit. Okay, let me check again, index.html. Let me check the, oh, it doesn't have a logo ID yet. That's why it didn't work. So that one should be here. Oops. That one should be here. Logo. And it works. So that is too much. Then over here, we don't need top. There's 20 is fine. Like so. But we need a bit of space here because that is too close to the edges. Okay, we'll check the code here. Okay. Okay, so LIA. Oh, we need a line height. Of 60 pixels, John. Then it'll be like this. And also the footer at the bottom. So footer element, position fix. It'll be always there with the color white. And also color spelling. So text line, center. And also top zero, oh no, bottom zero, left zero. Save it. Okay, spelling. Always check the spelling. If the spelling is not working, you will see this red mark. Okay, we'll see what happens then. So that one is here, but not centered yet. Okay, the reason is, oh, we didn't have the width 100%. Then from the 100%, it'll be centered, text align centered. So it should look like this. it should look like this. And if you want to have a favicon, so that one will be here. So over here, link favicon. So that link will have your logo, that is // images, logo.png, save it, and it'll show your logo here. Okay, this is how you create the first landing page for your desktop, and it look like this. Okay, so we have first parent container ID, and also inside you have an image source. Image source need an alternative attribute text, and also it has an ID of logo, and also H1 ID first underscore title, and also we have a footer, everything inside the container, everything inside the container. Okay, then we'll talk about the mobile menu. So first create index.html always, and after that we'll create snippet boilerplate HTML document and name it as mobile menu. And inside you'll have nav element. Inside the nav element you'll have h2 element will have menu, and inside nav under h2 element you will have ul. Inside ul you will have li 5 times, and after that you will have a element, enter. So that one also for now you can use hashtag to show the just current page, but I will name it as a.html, and that one I'll just copy that one, and over here and over here like so, but we'll name it as bcde like so. Okay, but that one doesn't exist, but I will name that one as appetizer, and next one is entrees, dessert, and beverages, and oh, over here I made a mistake. Always check your tag, otherwise it doesn't work properly. So don't make any spelling mistake about. Save it. And after that, you will make a link to your CSS, external CSS. Okay, I'll create another CSS file here. Okay. Inside it, we'll create some CSS. So first, you'll have resetting code for the asterisk symbol for all elements. So margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, for the box, and save it. And also the nav element will have, for now, the nav element, I'll just show everything here. So nav element here, okay, I'll just make that on a bit to the left screen. And also I'll open that one over here, Command Shift P, change live server to mobile menu. Command Shift P, open with live server. But doesn't doesn't actually show any colors, anything. But if you have some errors here, you need to check what is happening. So for sure, there is a spelling mistake here for the index.html. Okay, I'll just make that a little bit bigger. Index.html, we have unnecessary tag here, so I'll just remove it. Okay, then I'll just make this size a bit smaller and see what happens. Okay. Okay, over here. Okay. So for the nav element, you'll have maximum, we'll have max width. It cannot be bigger than 600 pixel. 600 pixel, and also the element will have a border of 2 pixel solid gray color, solid spelling. There is no solid. Okay. And after that, the margin will have 0, auto. For the bottom part, 1 REM. If there's some text underneath, but we'll not have it anyway, so actually we don't need that. We just put that on 0 auto is fine. And after that, we'll have line height of 7 REM. So that one will be line height. 16 pixel times 7. So it'll be like this. And also the H2 element menu, text align center. Text align spelling check. And after that one is centered, and with a border radius so 2 REM, 0, 0. Save it. And after that, the H2 element will have a background color of gold. That one will have gold. Then it looks like this. So we'll make it a bit bigger and see what happens. Okay. And after that, we'll have padding of 1 REM. Okay, it looks like this. And the ALI element, A, comma li will have text decoration none. And also list style type none. So we'll remove the dot. List style type none. None. Save it. So we need end of the curly brace, okay, over here. It will look like this. And also we need to center the all element. So that one for the nav, we didn't put the text align center. That one we need it, so we will have text align center there too. Then it'll be inherited. Okay, I'll just close this Command B, Control B, and also we don't need that one. We'll open that one only, and after that, the OA element will have display block. And also line height. Seven REM. And also font size will be bigger. 2 REM. And after that, even though we don't put text align center, will be fine because we'll have text align center here. And after that, text decoration now. And also li element for the top. For the top, that one will have 1 pixel, solid, also gray color. And it look like this. And after that, all the A visited or A hover, the background color will be gray as well. Okay, so it'll look like this. But the last one, the li element, the pseudocode last child, the A element for the radius will have 0, 0, 2 REM, 2 REM. So it'll be like this. It'll be like this. And also, let me check. Probably something is missing here. Okay, so okay, so for the nav element, we need a border radius too. To REM. Then it'll be all rounded. And it'll look like this. It doesn't go to that link though. This one, this one, this one, this one, this. But the last one here, it's not rounded. So the reason is the A element here is not. Last two child. That's why. And it'll work like this. Okay, this is how you create the mobile menu. So it works fine, great.